Now we will try the AI license plate restoration and privacy protection. For this, first we need to go to playback.
Driving recordings paused.
And download one of the recorded videos. For example, let's do this one right here. So you will need to, first of all, you can preview it and watch it yourself, and then you have to download it using this button. Now I'm gonna go to my library, and this is the recorded file. I will pause it. We will do the beginning of this file. You can choose any moment of the video to try to restore these numbers. So I will choose AI license plate restoration. And here, guys, first of all, you can zoom in to view, to see these numbers. This one is clearly visible, you can read it, and this one as well. So I will try the vehicle on the right side, the one that's further away. And here I can sort of read the first part. I think it's JJ7, but the second one I can't figure it out. So we will specify restore area. This message basically tells you make sure that the license plate is not cropped. So I will choose slightly larger area like this around the license plate number, then the system should figure out on its own, and I will say transfer. What will happen now, it will upload this file to remote Vueroid server, and I'll press wait, and it will use AI to try to restore this number. It's gonna take a few seconds. I'll say confirm, download is complete, and okay guys, we've got the result, and take a look at this. It saved two images. This is our original image that we chose, and this is the AI AI restored file, and take a look at that. So it suggests to us that this is JJ784X. Pretty impressive if you ask me. I can kinda see it now that it could be 84X. Again guys, pretty impressive, and like I said, in certain cases, for example if it's a hit and run or something else, you can try to figure out who did it. Okay guys, I will go back and we will try another feature. We'll use the same video, and right now we'll try AI privacy protection. This is meant to hide now, opposed to what we just did, license plate numbers and people's faces. So it works in a similar manner. You can choose any section of the video if you want. You can do the whole file, say trim, and we basically will repeat the process. It will upload this file to the remote server. It will take a little bit more time now, since these files are pretty large. Download complete, and we have a new file right here, guys. Let's take a look at it. So I will make it full screen, and yes, let's take a look, guys. Look at that. All license plate numbers are blurred. So if you want other road users, if you want them to stay private, you can definitely use this feature. And it also works on the moving vehicles. You see, these cars are driving away, and the license plate numbers automatically get blurred. To sum it up, I'm pretty impressed by the AI restoration feature. Again, from here we went and got this result. Be careful, because sometimes the way AI works, it may be guessing what it is. Now I can kind of see 84x, but could those numbers be different? Maybe, maybe not, I'm not sure. So be careful when you use this technology, but I can already see that it can be used in certain scenarios. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this demonstration was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.